Hey, I'm Dave, and this is a Maker Response Hub update. A few notes. First, I want to thank, with a heartwarming gesture, everybody who's contributed and been a part of the Maker Response Hub. It is amazing to see the outpouring of generosity within this 3D printing community. It means the world. Second, I wanted you to know that MatterHackers is open, we're up and running, fulfilling orders, and we're constantly looking to keep SKUs in stock that remain to be challenging, like PLAs and PETGs that people are using quite a bit, but we're making more filament every day, so check back regularly if you're looking for something specific. Now back to the Maker Response Hub update. So far, thanks to everyone's generosity and the outpouring of contributions from the 3D printing community, the Hub has been able to deliver over 15,000 PPE and other medical equipment to hospitals that are in need, and that is just amazing. We're also not slowing down. We're prepared to deliver much more in the coming days and weeks. Just this week, we received thousands of 3D printed PPE that have specific locations and hospitals that they will be targeted to be delivered. If you are not familiar with the MatterHackers Maker Response Hub, please go check it out. We are connecting those who can with those who need, and those who can are those with 3D printers willing and able to print some of these files. Those in need are hospitals, medical facilities that are looking for specific PPE that 3D printing can fill the gap. There's a massive need for PPE right now, and 3D printing has been just waiting in the wings, printing benchies and printing 3D fills for this opportunity to strike and fill the gap of manufacturing in a short term. Response number 16, our biggest response yet, I hope you received the email about it, was focused on a 3D printed visor shield for a face mask. This particular one was designed by my friend Eric from 3D Verkstan in Sweden, the same guys that make the Ruby nozzle. Eric oversees the production and the manufacturing of the Ruby nozzle itself, a very intricate piece, so no surprise that he came up with this really rad design that uses 3-hole punch geometry to be able to succeed at creating a face shield. We were able to work with the NIH, the National Institute of Health, to get this verified and reviewed for medical use. We succeeded at that last week, making this design accredited and ready to distribute through hospitals. Then you, the awesome 3D printing community, stepped up to the plate and are delivering or plan to deliver over 20,000 more printed visors for the Hub to distribute. Just think about this, a makeshift 3D printed part designed in Sweden, printed somewhere in the United States, delivered to MatterHackers in California, kitted up and sent out to the front lines to keep everybody safe. What a passionate story. This is what 3D printing was built for. We at MatterHackers are very proud to play an important role as the Hub in this whole endeavor. It allows every single individual to be a part of the solution and contribute towards the good. It is not too late to join the Hub. Go to MatterHackers.com. There should be plenty of links that direct you towards the Hub. Thank you so much, and we appreciate your efforts and look forward to doubling down and helping more.